Ready to dive into the world of Ethereum and start your crypto journey right here in the Philippines. First, you'll need a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Binance app or website and click the sign up button. You will need to complete the sign up process and then verify your identity. Binance requires identity verification for security and compliance. This typically involves submitting a valid Philippine ID like your driver's license or passport and a proof of address. Like a utility bill, follow the prompts carefully to ensure your documents are clear and legible. Once verified, let's fund your account. The easiest way in the Philippines is through P2P peer-to-peer trading. Go to the P2P trading section on Binance, filter by PHP, and choose your preferred payment method. Popular options include Gcash, Paymaya, and bank transfers. Select a seller with a good reputation and complete the transaction. Always double-check the details before confirming. Once the seller confirms receipt of your payment, your PHP will be credited to your Binance wallet. Now for the fun part, go to the spot trading section and search for the PHP trading pair. Enter the amount of PHP you want to spend, or the amount of ETH you want to buy, and click the Buy ETH button. Congratulations, you now own Ethereum. Remember, crypto investments can be risky, so do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy trading.